Thank you for attending. My name is Tom Wright, Sales Account Manager for Multi-Conveyor. The need for effective, easy to clean, CIP and washdown conveyor equipment is critical in our industry. Multi-Conveyor's entire design, engineering, and electrical staff are dedicated to staying educated on USDA, 3A, dairy, and FDA compliance, to name a few. We know a post-installation conveyor retrofit to accommodate sanitary mandates can be an expensive fix. That's why we put the time in, study the ever-changing parameters by agency, and sustain a keen understanding of those regulations. Simply put, we have your back. We'll also encourage you to request more information or schedule a meeting now to start an individual private conversation. Chat soon.
Continual education of agency-dictated requirements for sanitary constructed conveyors is key to developing compliant, sustainable, cost-effective designs. Non-FDA, USDA, or critical 3A compliance could mean costly retrofitting or rework for you. Staying ahead of those requirements is what we do. Count on it. Multi-Conveyor follows a strict 6-level construction guide. Although too many to mention, compliance may require washdown bolted designs, wear strips and continuous welds, sanitary supports, patterned cleanout holes, stainless steel frames, and special rated power transmission components. Common options include CIP, clean in place, water spray headers and nozzles, quick release belt lift take-up, internal sight windows, and specialty bearings, motors, and reducers. Let's take a look at some recently built systems. Multi-Conveyor recently provided a single stainless steel constructed, pneumatic controlled, sanitary, quick release, toolless belt conveyor for transporting temperature controlled raw meat product at a volume of more than 50,000 pounds per hour. The conveyor has a retractable idler and drive end with a center take-up. The retractable idler end operates with a customer-supplied metal detector to reject product at the end feed. The retractable drive end operates in 2 positions, which dispense into either of 2 hoppers positioned at the discharge. A check weigher triggers the divert to move from one side or the other based on weight for continuous processing. A manually adjustable belt scraper with catch pan scrapes off excess product that does not fall into the totes. Sanitary specifications included a mill finish with electropolish. All welds had to be continuous, free of pits, cracks, and crevices. The retractable noser frame itself is completely removable. Controls are located in an offset sanitary enclosure. Electrical components are mounted in a single NEMA 4 stainless steel slope-top enclosure, which houses a through-door disconnect, Allen Bradley PowerFlex 40 AC motor controller, safety relay, Micrologix PLC extend and retract actuators, and other control devices. The conveyor runs up to 60 feet per minute at 60 Hz based on a product load of nearly 20 pounds of product per lineal foot of conveyor in a distributed load with no accumulation. Multi-Conveyor recently built a super sanitary, stainless steel welded, plastic belt conveyor to merge plastic wrapped bulk cheese. This first clip shows random, uneven throughput which lacked the customer's requirement of 12-inch minimum spacing between loaves. To resolve the issue, our experienced electrical team incorporated a combination of pulse and photo eye sensors, Compact Logix processor, PowerFlex 525 drives, servo motor controllers, and VFDs to develop a new merge concept solution that alleviated big gaps between the product while allowing for more consistent spacing. As you can see, this technology allows us to have the same merge throughput running at 70% of the conveyor speed required previously, or to invert that, we can now merge 30% more product than the previous conveyor speed. Multi-Conveyor recently built the stainless steel welded, wash-down, sanitary trough conveyor to transport balls of bakery dough. The 6-foot-long urethane belt feeds and discharges from existing conveyors. This particular section is so sanitary that we didn't even want to run demo product on the belt. This super clean trough design includes holes for easy cleaning, 2-pin pull belt removal for maintenance, and no wear strips. The belt itself is formed in a U shape for product stability. NTR belt removal takes mere seconds, allowing for easy maintenance and simplistic changeovers, alleviates unnecessary toolboxes and tools for increased operator safety. The toolless pin pull approach allows the operator to remove the belt in mere seconds for routine maintenance. Note, there is no guarding on this particular system, but we do recommend guarding in most cases for safety purposes. Bottom drip pans with clean and drain spouts were incorporated to catch the ball dough residue. This conveyor end feed elevation will be 42 inches top of conveyor, and discharge elevation will be 54 inches top of conveyor. Multi-Conveyor recently built multiple sanitary, precision-timed, semi-automatic hand-pack conveyor lines that ultimately feed labelers and metal detection systems. The fully welded sanitary washdown constructed system includes toolless removable stainless steel shelving for product storage containers that are easily positioned, for operators to slide bulk food directly into clamshell-style trays for manual lid closures. Trays then convey to a labeler infeed using a nose bar transfer, then move to a reduced speed metal detector conveyor. Custom Delrin guard plates were provided for additional operator safety, yet allows internal access for cleaning. Other features incorporated include manual belt lifts, slotted cleanout holes for cleaning and maintenance, and manually adjustable guide rails with preset positions for specific width openings and product changeover. Custom controls tailored for this customer include servo motors and VFDs, allowing flexibility for the customer to choose from intermittent stops or continuous running conveyance as the variety of product requires, now and in the future. SlimFit is a breakthrough in low-profile, hygienic, wash-down stainless steel, toolless, small product transfer conveyors. The need for a quality yet affordable pre-engineered wash-down system was the driving force in this design. Center drive and center take-up. The strategically placed center drive design keeps balance in the system and uniform depth or width on each conveyor end to fit in tight or smaller spaces. Simplified motor options, V-guided end pulley, adjustable height from 30 to 48 inches with optional casters, and easy to remove end transfer plates. We've also incorporated a number 8 polish mirror-looking stainless steel finish. The flip-up end tail maintains tension and tracking even during maintenance. The toolless belt removal and washdown stainless steel frame are essential in hygienic food, beverage, and pharmaceutical applications. Did we mention quick delivery? We've designed SlimFit to ship from 3 days to less than 1 week from time of order. Schedule your FAT with your agency inspector right at our facility. Your company should also welcome future inspection reports as a means of monitoring internal sanitation standards, as those reports may also provide instrumental information for the design of future equipment. Now let's take you inside where it all happens.
When you need to move raw materials, maneuver product, or transfer finished product from packaging equipment, Multi-Conveyor has the solution. Our skilled fabricators, machinists, and assemblers, who are conveyor industry veterans, turn design and blueprints into functional material handling equipment. Fabrication starts right here with our extensive array of equipment: welding, shears, punch, press, horizontal mills, tooling, water jet, pin router, CNC machinery, painting system, and 6 overhead cranes are all used to make precision components. From pre-assembly of your system, including precise electrical control panels, we build pure quality into every system that goes out our door. Our in-field service team is available for installation assistance or to make electrical and mechanical alterations in the field upon request. We are a leader in the industry for what we do, custom conveyors. That's not an opinion or a debate, it's simply a fact. Which is why our motto remains, your best, conveyed better.
Why do our customers keep coming back to us for their custom solutions? Because we are the area leader.
Since 1989, the leading food, pharmaceutical, personal care, paper, automotive, and industrial suppliers have been coming to Multi-Conveyor for custom equipment and device solutions. We work directly with you, from concept to finished installed product. Our customers rely heavily on our experienced design and engineering team. Over 75% of our building is dedicated to fabrication, manufacturing, and assembly. It's all done right here, shipped direct from our floor to your door. Whether you're moving cans, bags, bottles, boxes, tubs, or just about any container shape or size, we make sure your best is conveyed better. We are Multi-Conveyor. Your best, conveyed better.